So, Sheila and Deepa are two of my best friends. Their fathers have identical plots of land right next to each other. While Sheila's dad grows cabbage and cauliflower over and over on the same land, Deepa's dad has been growing cabbages and cauliflowers, then growing beans, then again growing cabbages and cauliflowers, peas, and so on. Everything has been growing and going well. Except of late, the vegetables growing in Sheila's land are much smaller. Deepa's land has been producing much better vegetables. So, what do you think went wrong in Sheila's dad's farm? So, we know that plants need sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. With this, they also need minerals from the soil. One of these minerals is nitrogen. Nitrogen is needed by plants to make chlorophyll. It also helps plants to grow. Therefore, if all the nitrogen present in the soil gets used up, the plants will wither, and their growth also gets affected. Plants can only absorb nitrogen in the form of a chemical called nitrate, which is a soluble mineral present in the soil. While soil may already have nitrates present in the soil, bacteria called rhizobium living within the roots of plants called leguminous plants convert gaseous nitrogen present in the air spaces in the soil into nitrates. This process is called nitrogen fixation. Plants therefore benefit as they use these nitrates for their growth as well as to build protein. In turn, these leguminous plants provide rhizobium with food and shelter. That's why, after a few crop cycles, farmers grow leguminous plants like grams, peas, mung, beans, and other legumes on the land, like the way Deepa's dad did. This practice is called crop rotation. When farmers rotate crops, the rhizobium bacteria living in the roots of these plants produces nitrates that the leguminous plants use. Once the beans, peas, etc. have been harvested, the dead leguminous plants are left in the soil, and the next crop is grown on the land. The nitrates present in the dead leguminous plants therefore become available to the next crop. Fertilizers also contain nitrogen in the form of nitrates. Therefore, farmers also add fertilizers to the soil to help replace the nitrogen that has been used by plants. Fertilizers contain other minerals that plants require, such as potassium and phosphorus. Sheila's dad has now decided to practice crop rotation method on his land. I guess in a few months, he's going to be so happy seeing the good produce on his land.